Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to tutorial for artificial intelligence. This is a tutorial helpful for clear the competitive exam, high level competitive exam like UGC net and also competitive as well as the college level and university exam also. Today we are going to see the topic called 8% problem with heuristic informed search. In the previous session I explained about the 8% problem without heuristic. Now we are going to do with the heuristic search. This is the informed search one. To save the time, I already written the content here and I will explain properly here. Okay, let's assume that it's an algorithm. You know branch factor and everything here. This is the starting node and the goal node. The starting node, what the node slices here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8. This is given one. Now what's the goal node here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So now from start node to goal node, how do you achieve? So in informed search means what you already explained to, and upcoming session I explained about what is heuristic and exactly what we need and so on. So heuristic function one, what is the guided one? Definitely have guide and you follow the heuristic values. That is compulsory you have to use heuristic values. You have to calculate the heuristic value. Based on the heuristic value, you can go and find the solution. Definitely you can find. And why you go for this informed search? Because we will get the answer quickly. Whether you get the optimal solution or not, but you will get the complete solution for the given problem. Now we will compare the starting node and goal node and explore the nodes now, successive nodes here. Slice node. This is the legal one. If you want to legally move the tices, what happens? There are 4 methods I told you in the previous one: up, down, right, left. Okay, up, down, right, left, right, left, up, down, anything. But within this 4 method, you can go and get the solution here. First, I am explaining from here. So compare this one. Now we find the heuristic values. Okay, that is heuristic 3 will come. How means 1, 2, 3 are same. Then 4 here and 4 years not there. That is the first one. Then here 4 is there, 5 is the second one. Similarly, 6 is similar and 7 is here, no issue, and 5 is here and 8 is here. So totally 3 are missing here. So we should not calculate the empty space. We should not count the empty space and think about this missing value. So 3 is missing. So we can consider heuristic values here 3. Already written here, heuristic value is 3. So similarly, we compare again, and now we can do. Now you have to explore here. So you know H value. If you explore, first you use the up method. If you do up method, what you will get here? 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8. Then I go to the down method. So if you go approach the down in these slides, what will happen? The goal mode it will look like here: 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 6 it will be there, and 5 moved here, and 8 will be in the same position. Now I am going to the right method. So if you do the right method, 1, 2, 3 will be there, and 4 will be here, and 4 come here, and 6 will be the same position, and 7, 5, 8 same thing. Okay, like that you can apply the up position, down, and the right method. Now you see the heuristic value here. You can explore with this one only, because here heuristics. If you compare this and the goal node, you will get heuristic missing here. Here also more is there. It is the one having less value. That is heuristic value, the minimum value heuristic is equal to 3. So you can explore with the help of this node only. No need of these tools. You can check in the free time. Definitely you will miss more than the heuristic value maybe 4, 4 and come like that. So this is the one we are going to explore. Now first I am starting with the right method and the left method. Right method and the left method. Then I can follow the first right method, down and up. So this is down, this is up. First I am exploring with one up, right and left. If you go to right method, what happen? 1, 2, 3 will be there, and 4 will be there, and 6 I am moving here. 6 I just move here, and 7, 5, 8 will be here only. We can't move here. Then next one, left method I am following. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 I am moving here to left here, left, and 6 will be here, and followed by 7, 5, 8. Then I can do the down method. If you down method, what will happen? 1, 2, 3 will be there same, and 4, 5, 6 will get here. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 are moving here, then 7 will be here, and space 8 will be here. And then here down method, here 1, and the space will be there 3, and 4, 2, 6 will be there, and followed by 7, 5, 8. Now you calculate this heuristic value again. Here the heuristic value is 1, because compare with goal node. 1, 2, 3 will be there, 4, 5, 6 will be there, and 7, 8 will be there. So space is there. You can do only one time shifting here. So that's what you consider heuristic value is 1. And similarly here you can consider here 1, 2, 3 will be there, 4 is there, and 5 is not here, missing. And again 6 will be there, here not there, missing. So the here the H value will be 3 here. Similarly here also H value 3, and here also H value is 3. So you no need to explore these nodes. So it's an informed search one. What you can do means you can explore with any node, because in an uninformed search what happen, you can explore all the nodes and find the possibility. So you can go which is the minimum value of h1, that is h1 h is equal to 1 here. So I am going to explore here and just again apply the left and right method. Very easily you can conclude here. So what will happen, 1 to 3 will be here and 4, 5, 6 will be there. If you apply right method, what will happen, 8 will be set here. This 8 moved here. And one more is left method. So if you go left method, what happens, same 1 to 3 will be here and 4, 5, 6, because goal node and both are same here. And 7 I am shifting here. If I shift here 7 right side, what happens, 7 will be here and 8 will be there. So we compare with 1. So which is the solution now? This is the solution, right solution. So we can find out and complete the problem here. So 1 to 3 slices problem, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also 1 to 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Finally we achieved the goal node here. Goal node what you are expecting here. So like that you can solve the 8% problem with the help of heuristic informed search. It's a very important one. In the future, if you go for gameplay and any applications, this logic will be helpful for you. I hope that you understand this video. Please subscribe, support our channel, and thanks for watching.